Hello friends, welcome to my channel Man and Money. This video I'll be talking about the fundamental analysis of ITC. Before we get into the video, a disclaimer. This video presentation is intended only for educational purposes. We do not endorse or promote any product. Any investment made by our advice are subject to market risk. We are not SEBI registered advisors. Hence, take advice from SEBI registered advisor before investing. ITC, founded in 1910, stands as India's largest manufacturer and distributor of cigarettes. Beyond its tobacco operations, the company has ventured into diverse sectors through 5 key business segments: FMCG cigarettes, FMCG others, hotels, paperboards, paper and packaging, and agribusiness. The multi-dimensional approach has enabled ITC to establish a significant presence in various sectors and contribute to India's economic landscape. The geographical distribution. In the fiscal year 2022, the company's revenue distribution revealed that India played a dominant role, accounting to 78% of ITC's overall revenue. The remaining portion of revenue was generated through export operations, showcasing ITC's global footprint. FMCG cigarettes has a 40% of revenue. Within the FMCG domain, ITC holds an impressive position as a market leader in organized domestic cigarette sector. Boasting a market share exceeding 80%, the company's brands encompasses a wide range of products such as India Kings, Classic, Goldflake, Will's Navy Cut, and more. Despite contributing 40% of total revenue, this segment notably constitutes the most profitable business division for ITC, contributing a significant 81% to overall profit before interest and tax. FMCG others, which has a 24% of ITC's revenue. Under the FMCG other segment, ITC maintains a robust portfolio of 25 mother brands that span various FMCG sectors. The spectrum encompasses packaged foods, personal care, stationery apparel, and even agarbattis. The company has demonstrated its prowess in these markets with brands such as Ashirwad, Sunfeast, Bingo, Ippi, Candyman, Mint O, Savlon, Fiamma, Vivel, Superia, Classmate, Papercraft, WLS, Mangaldeep, and AIM matches. Several of these brands have achieved leading positions in their respective markets, contributing to ITC's diversified success. ITC's foray into the hospitality sector took flight in 1975 with the launch of ITC Hotels. Over the years, this venture has moved into one of India's fastest growing hospitality chains, boasting a portfolio of 108 hotels spread across 70 locations in the country. ITC Hotels holds the distinction of being second largest hotel chain in India. This extensive presence spans multiple market segments and encompasses a room inventory of around 290,000 rooms. The hotel offerings are divided into 4 distinct brands: ITC Hotels, Welcome Hotels, Fortune Hotels, and Welcome Heritage. ITC's agri-business segment constitutes a vital part of ITC's operations. ITC has earned a status of being the second largest exporter of agricultural products from India. The company engages in the trading of feed ingredients, food grains, marine products, processed fruits, coffee, and more. An integral part of this vertical is the export of leaf tobacco, with ITC securing its position as India's largest and world's 5th largest leaf tobacco exporter. With new facilities like upcoming spices facility at Guntur and world-class manufacturing unit at Mysuru, for nicotine derivatives, ITC continues to strengthen its agri-business, paper boards, paper and packaging. Within the realm of paper packaging, ITC stands out as a market leader in value-added paperboard segment. Furthermore, the company proudly bears the distinction of being India's largest converter of paperboard into high-quality packaging. A comprehensive range of paperboards encompassing those made from virgin renewable sources to 100% recycled boards forms part of ITC's offerings. The company has invested in enhancing its value-added paperboard capacity and optimizing its operations, resulting in margin expansion even amidst challenges posed by escalating input prices. ITC Infotech, amid its diversified operations, ITC's IT arm ITC Infotech exhibits robust performance. The fiscal year 2022 witnessed an impressive growth of approximately 17% in total income for ITC Infotech. In essence, ITC's century-long journey has led to a company with strong foothold across various sectors, embracing its core tobacco business, venturing into hospitality, FMCG, agri-business, and more. This diversified approach has enabled ITC to thrive as a key player in India's economic landscape, reflecting its commitment to innovation and growth across a wide array of industries. ITC Hotels demerger, the latest news in the market. ITC's proposed reorganization to focus on its hotel business and drive future growth. The company's CEO, Mr. Puri, emphasized that this strategic shift will position ITC as a dedicated hotel entity with a strong balance sheet and promising pipeline, coinciding with the anticipated growth in the industry. The organization aims to ensure long-term stability and confidence amongst stakeholders while allowing a new entity to leverage ITC's strengths, including its reputation, brands, and governance process. Recently, ITC's board granted in-principle approval for the demerger of the hotels business through a scheme of arrangement. The communication from ITC indicates that the necessary announcements and disclosures will be made in line with regulatory requirements. The company plans to retain a 40% stake in the new entity, with the remainder distributed among the shareholders based on the existing holdings. This strategic move showcases ITC's commitment to evolving its business focus and optimizing its operations for future growth. The fundamental analysis of ITC, I'm analyzing parameters such as sales, its expenses, operating profit, other income, and so on. The revenue earned by the company increased steadily from December 2020 to March 2022, with a peak in June 2022 at around 18.49 billion in sales. It then slightly decreased in subsequent quarters. The operating expenses followed a similar trend, rising and peaking in June 2022 at around 12.41 billion. However, the expenses remained relatively stable. Operating profit. Despite fluctuations in expenses, the operating profit exhibited an overall uptrend trajectory, reaching its highest at the approximately 6.7 billion in March 2023. ITC had other income varied throughout the observed period, peaking at around 682.52 million in March 2023. The net profit of the company experienced consistent growth, rising from around 353 billion in December 2020 to approximately 5.18 billion in March 2023. With a market cap of 5,56,555 crore and a current price of 446, the company has an immense potential to grow with a PE of 29. The two post demerger, a value unlock is expected to happen in this organization. The company has given a consistent CAGR stock growth of 7%, while it has maintained a consistent dividend of close to 4% year-on-year dividend yield. The results so far has been good, and the company is expected to give a good result in coming quarters. Company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 98%. The company's working capital requirements have been reduced to 29.1 days from 20.1 days. Some of the disadvantages look to be the stock is trading at 8.8 times its book value, and the company has delivered poor sales growth of 10.3% over past 5 years. Overall, the company's fundamentals looks very strong and they have been consolidating. They are one of the monopoly in the cigarette segment, and they are also preparing themselves as one of the best FMCG organization within India. The company's financial performance showcased a positive trend over the quarters with the rising sales, increasing profits, and relatively controlled expenses. Let me know if you want me to analyze any other stocks of your favorite companies. Thanks for watching. Please like the videos, subscribe my channel, and share the video for a wider reach.